Smart Window Camera Ad Instruction. Equipment Preparation. Power on the camera.
Devices waiting to connect.
How to view by app. The first, scan code to download Instavision app.
Scan the QR code for the latest version.
Secondly, register and login app. Thirdly, add the device by app. Smart connection. Open the Instavision app. Click Add Camera. Make sure your device is powered on. Your phone will auto-detect nearby device. Tap the device that shows up. Connect the device to your Wi-Fi. Enter the password. Camera is connecting to Wi-Fi. Install the camera. Before installation, ensure the camera has been successfully added to the app. Clean the glass surface where the camera will be installed. Peel off the protective film from the adhesive sticker and apply it to the desired location. Attach the front of the camera to the sticker, making sure the power port is facing downward. Stick the cable clip in a suitable spot to hold the charging cable in place.